I just took the front of this car apart. It's got a broke control arm at the bottom, and the axle came apart. So we got to get an axle, control arm, front bumper cover, and an impact bar, and then we can put it all together. We're just gonna respray the front, and it'll be ready to go for sale, baby. It's 2015 Dodge Dart, 89,000 miles on it. It's pretty clean. I got to clean it up though. Once I paint it, clean it up, put some tires on it, and y'all can come get it. Y'all can have it. It's yours. Enjoy yourself. Now we got to put back together. Put a hood on it, bumper, front fender, one headlight, and fix the axle. Of course, I just drove back from Alabama yesterday, so we got it halfway. Just vacuum out, wipe down, nothing major. We're gonna prep. We're gonna wash the car and prep it just to paint the front and clean it up real good. And this one will be ready to be sold. So 2015 Dodge Dart, 90,000 miles on it now. AC work. We have a salvage title, but it's a good running driving car. So we are about to do something we ain't really supposed to be doing. They're trying to charge too much for the material just to paint the front. So we just gonna do what we got in the shop. We're just gonna paint the whole car. Instead of painting the parts, just have to do a little bit of work, paint the whole car. So basically what we're gonna do, take the emblems off, that tag, leave the lights in. This is a bunch of paint job. Got like 3 or 4 things to fix. Leaving the lights in, leaving the mirrors on, leaving everything on the car, and just painting. So I'm finna put this down so I can get to it, and then once I get finished sanding it down, so this is what we got. We got it all sanded down. Except for the fact I gotta take the emblems off, like I said before. So I'm gonna take the emblems off, use a eraser on that cross the guard thing, and some spots we just spin around. The front was already done. Gotta stop sanding it. So front I really go just see where these pieces of tape at. Gotta do a little different work. So what we gonna do is we gonna fix the yellow spots. Let's tune this side and tune the other side. And then we take it outside and wash it so we can get the small stuff. And then we'll come back with some 800 on the DA, wet and quick fast sides and the top. And we'll be ready to tape it up and paint it. So I got it sanded down. Primed a couple of spots where I did a little bit of work. Not too much on this car. We're just gonna let that dry a couple hours out in the sun. Then we're gonna come wet in the car, wash it, and then it'll be ready to go. So almost in the final stages. Now I got it all wet sanded, washed. I'm gonna let it dry. Probably come back in the morning and just tape it up. And then probably Wednesday morning I just paint it. Come back and paint it. So I can take it to the house Friday and put it on Marketplace for sale. So that's that. Out of prep. I'm ready to go. Ready to bang things.